Puncak Niaga Holdings Berhad is an investment company and listed on the main board of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad on 8 July 1997. It is the first water treatment and supply concession company to be listed on Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad under the Infrastructure Project Company Guidelines issued by Securities Commission. Today, Puncak Niaga's market capitalisation stood at 122.99 million ringgit, with total assets of 2.9 billion ringgit and land banks worth of 900 million ringgit. Yang berbahagia. Tan Sri Rosali bin Ismail is the founder and the executive chairman of Puncak Niaga Holdings Berhad and is a major shareholder of the company. In 1989, he set up a family-owned company and embarked into property development. The company also ventured into the utility business with the setup of Puncak Niaga Sendirian Berhad. He was then entrusted by the Selangor state government to manage 29 water treatment plants for the whole of the state of Selangor and the federal territory of Kuala Lumpur. With his leadership, Puncak Niaga has gained recognition both nationally and internationally, particularly in the water industry, and is known as Malaysia's water specialist. Encik Azlan Shah, Tan Sri Rosali, is the group managing director of the company and is a shareholder of the company. He is the eldest son of Tan Sri Rosali. He has been with the company since year 2008 and has held various posts in the senior management level in the group prior to his appointment as the Group Managing Director. Puncak Niaga's greatest achievement in water concessions is the construction of the Sungai Selangor Phase 2 Water Treatment Plant SSP2, which is the first water treatment plant in Southeast Asia to use SCADA supervisory control and data acquisition and Actiflow system, supplying 950 million litres per day of clean water. After being in the Selangor water services industry since 1994, on 15 October 2015, both of Puncak Niaga's wholly owned subsidiaries, namely PNSB and Siabas, were disposed to Pengurusan Air Selangor Sendirian Berhad in line with the consolidation of the Selangor water services industry by the federal government and the state government of Selangor. The company continues diversifying its business with exploration into the construction areas through its construction arm, Puncak Niaga Construction. Its principal business activities are engineering and construction works, general contracts, and its related activities. The company further expanded its business in the plantation sector. The acquisition of Danam Sinar 2017 gave Puncak Niaga immediate access to its plantation assets of 46,674 hectares of plantation land in Muram, Sarawak. company expand its capacity and enhance its construction expertise and skills with the acquisition of the entire issued share capital in Puncak Berhad in year 2018. PLC also has successfully developed a 400-bed teaching hospital of UITM, academic facilities and accommodation, along with amenities, utilities, fixtures and fitting, including the supply of the medical equipment. It has also been awarded a 25-year concession of asset management services, which comprises of various trades. The company has taken an energetic and dynamic, smart approach in our work to building the business and its profiles, from focusing on seeking out nurturing its own talented employees and fostering forward-thinking innovation, to diffusing its corporate tagline, "Cleanliness is our way of life" throughout the business from top to bottom. Puncak Niaga's journey as a corporation that has grown into a reputable group with diverse business segments, despite the challenges faced, remains unchanged as we remain steadfast, resilient, and committed to stay on course in nurturing sustainable businesses for our future generation. Despite facing various challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, economic slowdowns, changes in government policies, and more, Puncak Niaga has continued to move forward. Puncak Niaga remains viable and continues to be committed to leading in the integrated water sector, wastewater management, environmental engineering, facilities management, and agriculture. The company is committed to staying competitive in order to contribute to the development of the nation, Malaysian communities, and the global community.